let's see. Let's start with the bottom. Let's see, what do we got here? What do we got? What do we got? I have no clue. Actually, I do, because I sent after them. But, let's see what we got in here. Oh, yes. Very sharp. Very sharp. Yeah. Not really. Not really. You could probably take that with you on an airport, I'm sure. I don't know. Oh, yeah, maybe. Maybe they'd allow it, I don't know. They allow chainsaws. Look at that. Let's see, what is this? Battery disconnect. Oh, battery disconnect switch. Yes. Got these on Prime Day. Very important for having on like old tractors or whatever. It's for well, basically a battery disconnect switch. You just I have one on my my T5 New Holland, but you just basically that's all it is. You hook it up to your battery, and the negative side usually. I usually do it on the negative side. Works out better that way. Got that for like $9. There's another one, same thing. Put that over there. What is this? Ooh. Volumax. Ooh. Oh, that's right. I got a few cold bolts there like this. This is for oil filters. Put your oil filter in there, or you know, jar or something that you want to open or whatever. But they work good for oil. They're basically used for oil filters and whip action. Some whip action going on there. But yeah, one that's big and small does it all. One that's big and one that's small, it does it all. Yay! Alright, let's throw that stuff around there. Oh, there's my knife. So-called knife. Where'd that go? Oh, here it is. Had a jump cut there, and we're back. Let's see. Uh-oh. For emergencies. No, we need an emergency right now. Ooh, look at that. That's not good. Explosion. That's why the emergency thing's there. Okay. Let's see if we don't cut through the battery here. There is a battery in here. Actually, there's two of them. Because it is a smaller box. Look at that. Look at all that real estate in there. Look at that. I bet you could fit this in there. If you really wanted to, we could probably put most of this stuff in there. Oh well, let's get that out of the way. Yeah, explosions, great. Ooh, oh wow, this is for my GoPro. It's a battery charger thing. This is the first time seeing it myself. It's kind of small. It's a cube. Mystery cube. Mystery of how to opening it. Let's see. Oop! Oh, that pops open. Oh, these batteries go in there. I see. I'll have to no. Okay. Well, we'll have to see how that works later. Let's throw that over there. Okay, this is what? Pull to open. Okay. Oh! This is my beard trimmer thing that I got. Beard trimmer. Or whatever. Hair trimmer, beard trimmer. Oh. Thank you for choosing Whale. This project was shipped brand new from our factory, securely labeled outside, blah blah blah. Please give a 5-star review or we will cancel your account. No, that's not what they say. But they are implying that you give a 5-star. Yeah, right. Well, if the bloody thing works, works well. Oh, what? That's it? Oh, wait a minute. That can't be it. Where's the... Oh. Ooh. Oh, wow. This comes with scissors. Oh, scissors. Something there so you can't stab yourself. See? Well, ain't bad shears. I like that. So what's that say? Oil blades before using. Okay. Don't you like these plastic? Just one rip and that's it. Is this the oil? Oh, that's the oil. Okay. So what do we got here? We got a bunch of these things. Tell you the truth, I'm not sure what any of this. Well, I know what these are, but huh? It's got little rake teeth on there. I don't know. Got a big enough comb here. Is that? Sheesh. Must be for mountain men. Instructionados. Oh, got a bunch of them. Home hair cutting. Oh gosh, this is gonna be folding up into a I have to post it up on a wall kind of thing in 14 different languages. Yeah, well, whatever. Should know how to use one of these things by now. But yeah, that's it.